Good morning, student. Today is the subject business study. We will learn chapter second chapter forms of business organization. Okay. So let me start the topic. Difference between private company and public company. Private company and public company on the basis minimum number of members. In the previous class, we will learn the private company and the public company. Private company, minimum number of members are 2, and the public company, minimum number are 7 members. Maximum number, private company, the maximum number is 50, and the public company, after incorporation stage, there are other stage which must be completed for the allotment of share. जो पब्लिक कंपनी है वहाँ पे जितने शेयर्स होंगे शेयर अलॉटमेंट के आधार पे मैक्सिमम नंबर्स अलॉट होते हैं. देन नेक्स्ट अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर. प्राइवेट कंपनी आफ्टर द इनकॉर्पोरेशन स्टेज of share are allotted to the members, and public company after incorporation stage there are other stage which must be completed for the allotment of share. Okay. Then next, issue of prospectus. Private company can't issue prospectus, and a public company issue the prospectus is compulsory. Then the submission of documents. Private company, on the memorandum of associations in the private company, signature of 2 directors are necessary. Then public company, in the case of public limited company, signature of least 7 directors are need. जो प्राइवेट कंपनी होती है उसमें मेमोरेंडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन में 2 डायरेक्टर्स का सिग्नेचर ज़रूरी है, जबकि जो पब्लिक कंपनी होती है उसमें 7 डायरेक्टर्स का जो है सिग्नेचर होना चाहिए. देन नेक्स्ट, यूज़ द वर्ड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड. एक्चुअली प्राइवेट कंपनीज द वर्ड प्राइवेट लिमिटेड मस्ट बी रिटन, एंड द पब्लिक कंपनी हियर ओनली लिमिटेड वर्ड इन द यूज्ड. Then next, final accounts. Private company, it is not necessary to distribute final account to members at the end of the year. It is not necessary to distribute final accounts to members at the end of the year, but the public company, it is necessary to publish final account to distribute it to the member and submit to the register of 3 companies. Okay. Then the commencement of business. Private company business can be commenced after the incorporation, and the public company business can be commenced only after securing certificate of commenced of business. तो ये मैंने आपको बताया पब्लिक कंपनी और प्राइवेट कंपनी में डिफरेंस. फर्स्ट इज़ द मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर, देन सेकंड इज़ द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर, देन थर्ड इज़ द अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर, देन नेक्स्ट ट्रांसफ़र ऑफ शेयर, इश्यूज ऑफ प्रॉस्पेक्टस, सबमिशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स, रिटायरमेंट ऑफ डायरेक्टर. Actually private company direction don't retire by rotation, and the public company directors have retired at the age of 65 years, and the third of directors must retire by the rotation in the year. Okay, so today is the topic we learn the difference between private company and the public company. Okay. The next topic, one main company. What is the meaning of one main company? According to Company Act, minimum 2 members are required to establish a private company, and minimum 7 are required to the establish of public company. Hence, it is not possible to create one main company according to provision of the Company Act. But there are certain loopholes in every set of organization law act, and so Companies Act is no acceptance is some people established a company by arranging the minimum number of members and making them the member format set only. Such members are given 1 or 2 share and the rest of the there are held by one person. Hence, the operation of company affairs management, final control, etc. It looked after by one person, and such companies are called of one-man company. The number of such companies are generally the relatives of mastermind. Okay, thank you.